In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use a ruler in Adobe Illustrator. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to create precise designs or ensure accurate alignment and spacing in their projects. Let's take a step-by-step look at how you can easily incorporate rulers into your workflow. First, you'll want to open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Make sure you have the correct version installed and ready to go before we dive in. If you're new to Adobe Illustrator, you might find the interface a bit daunting. But don't worry, we'll focus on just the sections you need today. Once you've opened your document or started a new project, direct your attention to the top of the screen. Look for the View menu, which is usually nestled between Edit and Window in the main toolbar at the top. Go ahead and click on View. This drop-down menu provides a plethora of options for displaying your workspace in different ways. But today, we're concentrating on the ruler. Now, as you scroll down through this menu, keep an eye out for the Rulers option near the bottom. This is where you can control the visibility of your rulers on both the vertical and horizontal axis. Click on Rulers to expand your choices. You should notice an option that says Show Rulers. Go ahead and select this. You'll see rulers appear instantly along the top and left side of your workspace. Having the rulers visible can significantly enhance your design process. Tasks like aligning elements, measuring distances, or planning layout can become much more intuitive and efficient. If you aren't seeing the rulers after this step, double-check that you've selected the right option and that there's no running issue with your Illustrator installation. Rulers are extremely handy in Illustrator, not only for design precision, but also for creating guides. To do this, click on the ruler itself and drag a guide out onto your artboard. This action will create a blue line that you can position wherever you need, providing a visual aid for placing elements in your design. You can move these guides anytime by clicking and dragging them. To remove a guide, simply drag it back into the ruler section it originated from, or you can right-click on it and choose the option to delete it. And there you have it. Adding a ruler and using it within Adobe Illustrator is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your design work. With this tool, you can bring a new level of accuracy and professionalism to your projects. Feel free to explore further features within the View menu to tailor your workspace exactly how you like it. Thanks for watching today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.